In this video, I'm going to show you how you can file corporation tax return online in the easiest possible way. See, 1 year ago, when I needed to file my corporation tax return online, then I have searched for like weeks and I didn't find any tutorial on that in whole internet. Maybe you have also searched all of those things and you may have faced such problem. Okay, so I'll be solving that problem, but watch this video very carefully because it will be extremely helpful for you for long term. Okay, so 1 year ago I made a video on how to file corporation tax online after I successfully filed the tax online. Okay, so but what happened, lots of people started to make bad comments below and I thought it was just waste of time. I did it. Okay, like 8,000 people have watched it and lots of people have followed the instructions that I have given in this video, but lots of people didn't understand the complicated things that I wanted to explain in this video. So video got a little bit long, not much long, 4 minutes long. Okay, so now in this video, I'm going to make everything clear and you will be also able to file your corporation tax, but not in the way that you are thinking, but in the way that I'm going to explain you. Okay, so I've searched for lots of videos and in whole internet, I didn't find any other video which shows like filing taxes online in the easy way. Okay, it is complicated way or the ways that I didn't understand by myself. Okay, these things I don't understand. So here you can see, if you even search for this kind of search term, you'll see this video at the top that I have made 1 year ago. Okay, and what I did was I simply hired a freelancer in Fiverr. Okay, if you see, there is a link in the video below. In this video below this video also, I will keep that link. You can click on it and you will be able to reach to this accountant. He have 4.9 rating, 154 people have hired him. If you see his review, most of them are all good. Okay, so a few are bad, but if you see this 5 stars review, you can see lots of people from UK are also giving him so much good reviews. United States. So this is one review I have gave recently because I have done one more thing. Okay, recently I faced one problem, like my account got overdue, and in that for that case I directly messaged him. So he's a person who replies by being happy. He is not rude, he's a good person. Okay, I didn't understand why overdue, what overdue, this kind of thing. I just took this screenshot and sent him, and he helped me to file it, and sorry, he helped me to solve that problem. Okay, by doing something I don't know what he did. Okay, and I was able to pay my due amount, which is like one something, 150 pound. Okay, and I was able to make everything clear. Now my next filing will be next account made up to 2020 due at 2025. Okay, so now what happened, like if you get this kind of person for yourself, then it will be extremely helpful for you. I'm only making this video so that it can help you for long term. Okay, not just for short term. So now what you can do is, whatever the tax filing you need to do or whatever you need to do online, you can just click the link below, talk to him. If it is good fit for you, you can go with. Or another way you can do it, you search for the whole internet, you do it by yourself, and things get complicated and you will be in dilemma, and you will even delay the process of filing your taxes if need. That kind of thing you can do it. And also one important thing, if you find some video or some tutorial that makes it extremely easy for other people to file this kind of corporation tax, then do suggest me in the comment. I'll be more than happy to publish a video on that. My intention is just to help you guys, and if you are not happy with the video, it's fine, you can watch other videos. And if you think it was helpful, then please do like this video. If you need to file any taxes, directly contact him. Whatever your question is, just click on contact me and ask him and make it clear. Of course, you will charge money for the work that you are offering him to do. Okay, but he will do everything in the perfect way. So that's it for this video. I hope your corporation tax will be filed with the help of this video in the easiest way possible.